Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have this S23 Ultra for the screen replacement. So we will start the process. First of all, we will heat the back and open its back cover. So first of all, with the help of this heat gun, we will heat up the edges of the phone like this. The temperature is 380 degrees centigrade and the airflow is 8. So you need to continuously moving and do it for 80 seconds. Now we will use this isopropyl alcohol and we'll put some on the edges of the back glass. It will soften the glue underneath it like this. Now with the help of this plate and playing card, we will open the back. So we will insert the plate here to create some gap. Once a gap is created, then I will insert this playing card in here and try to gently swipe it, and then we'll take off the plate. I'll gently go deep inside little bit and then we'll swipe it. Do not go too much deep inside the phone because it can damage the internal parts. So just swipe it like this. Just go very smooth, very slowly, like this. Just apply a little bit of force, and if you think that back glass is not warm enough, you can reheat it as well. So now the glue has been removed. Now we will open the back gently like this. See, it's open. Now with the help of this T4 screwdriver, we will open all of its screws. If you can turn off the phone, just do it. If you can't, then that's okay, because in this specific phone the touch screen is not working, so I'm not able to turn off the phone. So I will take off the screws first from the top here. Now with the help of this tweezer, I will open its back. You can see our arrow is here. This is the arrow here. So we will insert the tweezer from this side only, like this, and then there's some gap in here as well. So don't go too much deep. So like this. Now I will take out these connectors. You can use your nails or any plastic spudger, and then this one here, and this part is stick here, so I will insert this tweezer like this. And now we have taken off this wireless charging thingy and a speaker. Now first of all, we will disconnect the battery. So battery has been secured. Now what you need to do is to take off the SIM tray and a pen. I have already taken off the SIM tray, so I will take off the pen first. Now you can see 3 more screws here. I will take them off. Now I will take off this ear speaker. I'll remove this connector with my nails. Now this connector here with the nail. Or if you don't have long enough nails, you can use this type of plunger. Now I will remove this ear speaker. So you can see an arrow here as well. You can put this tweezer in and just try to lift up. See, it came off like this. Now we will disconnect the camera from the motherboard first. Disconnect it. Now we will lift this charging board. So you got to be a little careful here. Use any sharp tweezer, but do not go too much deep inside. So insert the tweezer here. I'll show you, and try to lift up like this. Then insert the tweezer here, and then just pull it like this, and it will come off. Now it's time to take off the main board. Again, I will use this tweezer here. Do not go deep, just lift up like this. It's super easy, and avoid touching the cameras as well, and take off this pen connector as well from the motherboard. See, and the last thing, you need to unplug this connector as well. I'll use this plunger this time. Yeah, so that the frame is dismantled from the board. So we'll put this whole thingy on the side. Now we will take out the battery. First we have to peel off the stickers like this here, and now gently you have to pull the battery. It requires a little bit of force. See, it came off like this. So now you need to just settle the sticker first.
Like this.
Now this is a new screen, brand new screen, Samsung service pack with a frame. We will open the screen. Here you can see some stickers. Just peel off the stickers. Put the battery first. And just align it a bit. Now we will put the main board back like this. The battery connector and the pen connector should go up, so you can do some adjustments here. See, now we will connect this connector onto the motherboard. Now this pen connector here. Now we will insert this charging port first. First you have to bend and then slide in first like this, and then press from the top, and you will hear that click sound, which means it's on its right position. Now we will put back 3 screws
Like this.
Now I will insert the pen. Now I will connect this connector here. You have to position it first and then just press it. You will feel that click sound. Now I will put back this air speaker, but before putting the air speaker we have to put the front camera. So in order to take out the front camera from the old frame, again we have to use this heat gun and heat the front here like this for say 60 seconds. You have to continuously moving. I've already heated up a little bit, so I will just heat it up for 20 seconds. Now with the help of this tweezer, you can see some glues here, so we have to take out this glue. You have to be little cautious about it because you can damage the front camera. Just point on the glue, not on the camera, with the help of tweezer. And once the glue is removed, you just gently take off the camera. Now we will transfer the camera into our new screen. Just insert the camera first like this and then connect it to the motherboard like this, and then press it, so it's connected. Now we will put the ear speaker here like this and press it, and then connect this connector on the board. Once it's done, it's time to connect the battery connector on the board. So first position it and then press it. You will hear that click sound. So just make sure all the connectors are pressed and it's in the right direction. Now we will put back this wireless charging pad. First of all, go from the bottom, position it, and then press it like this, and then from the top just press these connectors on the motherboard. All good. Now we will put the screws back, starting from the middle. Once we have put all the screws back, we will check the phone. We will turn it on first. So once it's on, we will check it touch. Touch is working fine. We will check the cameras. We will check the touch. Touch is working fine. You can check the camera, check the ear speaker, and check the charging. Check from the other side. It's charging from the other side as well. So now it's time to put the back cover. So here is the back cover. We will put some glue on it. This is B7000 clear glue. So you need to apply a very thin layer on the back. Now we will put this back cover onto the phone just put the top side first like this, do the correct positioning and placement, and then put the bottom side and then press it like this. Now we will put some rubber bands on it. Keep it like this for 30 minutes and then you can take off the rubber bands. So if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.